Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special video today. I've been waiting to post this video for you guys for a long time. Since August. I'm gonna explain you why you're watching the video, but overall it's about fashion, trends, trend area, exhibitions. As a summary, I'm just gonna tell you that I helped out in one of my friends' project this summer, which was a trend area in very important exhibition in Turkey, and they show materials, fabrics, and whatever that is going to be trend in next few years, which literally helps all designers. It doesn't have to be fashion, it can be interior designers, everything, like even home stuff, home decor, everything you can think of, colors, materials, they show everything. It's like it has all the details, and at the same time I have an interview with the person who made that trend area. I will explain you with details while you're watching my video, and it was a very amazing experience, so I wanted to share it with you guys so maybe you can also use it, because the trends that were there still haven't come. So if you want to shop, if you're a designer and you want to design something, maybe you can get inspiration from that, or artists or whatever. I have two separate parts. One is us getting ready for the exhibition, and the second one is the exhibition and the interview. So let's go.
First thing I did was helping out our studio with cutting the fabrics for the samples that were gonna go to the exhibition, because everyone was overloaded with work and I was just trying to help as much as I could. And then I went to the school. Actually, they were preparing for the exhibition in the school that I studied fashion. So I went there. They've been working on this project months before I even go to help them out. So I checked around to get familiar with their work and what they're doing and what they need help. As you see, there are so many stuff here, like separated into different concepts, which they bought from like literally all over Turkey. They found some vintage stuff online. Some are from secondhand stores or like farmers market, which not exactly farmers market, but there are ones in Turkey that they sell vintage or secondhand stuff. And as you can see, there are garments from graduate students that are going to be displayed in the exhibition. And as you see, there are so many embroidery stuff, handmade stuff in this. Embroidery tool beaded thing is what I made also for this concept, and I love these materials. Like, I wish they were mine, but they're not, they're students. So I come to the other room. My friend Melis is working really hard on her presentation for the exhibition, which she can't even hear me. And I want to show you what I did, this little tool thing here. And then I started out with this orange rotten shape, which was inspired by this piece of art. And then I want to help out my friend Beza with this huge lamp, which we were sticking foams on it to make a huge figure, and then she was gonna paint over it. And here she is teaching me how to fill the spots with foam. So I'm just looking at her and seeing what she does, and then we're gonna start doing it together. And here's a time slap of us doing it. I thought it will be satisfying to show you guys. So on second weekend that I went there, I had a new duty. These are all the garments from graduation student or other student which I had to sew something on them. Here is my view of the class, and then I was listening to Heartless by Kanye West because I was kind of a little heartbroken.
So basically I'm gonna stitch these to inside of the garments so we can hang them on a special like metal thing that we're making, not where like we ordered. Yeah.
And another time slap from me drinking my coffee and stitching the bands to the garments. I was kind of really sick back then, but nothing heals a broken heart than working. Like, working makes you feel better really fast. So I was busy as a bee. Okay, I know that was really cringy, but let's move on. So after a little bit stitching, I went to the other room. By the time I got there, Beza had already started painting the giant lamp. To be honest, this girl is one of the most creative people that I've ever seen. It's like you show her a photo, you show her something, and 1 minute later, done. She figures it out and she does it in the best way, which is very impressive. So after painting this giant lamp, she started checking the boards to see if everything in the right concept, all the materials should be in the specific place, and we're gonna check them and she's gonna take photos. So everything that is breakable, we can separate them and we can start gluing other materials.
Yazılar yazacak daha Mona. Daha işim bitmedi. Ama iyi farklı yaptım bu sefer biraz.
Ama çok bu sefer çok profesyonel gözüküyor.
Aynen, biraz değiştirdim. Biraz böyle tek ürün gitmedim. Biraz böyle genel bir geçiş var ya her şeyin içinde.
Evet, öyle.
O yüzden biraz böyle daha lifestyle gibi ve material'ı daha raw verdim.
Güzel.
Anladım, daha feeling.
Ya.
Çünkü biraz böyle artık. Eskisi gibi değil. İşte daha lifestyle. Şimdi şeyi ekleyeceğim,
Evet.
senin bitkileri buna, birinciye. Beyza'nın yaratıkları. Şunun gibi yapayım diyorum.
Evet, olur. Like, tam screenshot tutup onu da bir yuvarlak yapabilirsin.
Aynen.
Evet.
As you see, everything is on their place. We're about to glue them on the tables, and you're gonna see Raf, my favorite teacher from school. He's trying to figure out the microscope to see the rotten stuff under the microscope, which he kind of can't figure it out, so he calls the nerd to check out, aka me. So I fixed the microscope, and then we looked at these rotten, I think it's coffee and like fruits.
Diyorum size, sabit duramıyorum ki. Aa! Beyza sen ne yaptın bunu? İnşallah dolabımdan şey var.
Dolaba inşallah mikrop bulaştırmadı.
These were so gross and some of them stinked. I was like, I hope we don't get any disease from them. Like, and also we found one of them that was moving under the microscope, and this microscope is not even that strong, so we were kind of freaked out.
Böcek gibi.
So we made few samples of these for the exhibition, and then we packed and went home and got ready for the last day of getting prepared. By the way, it was last day for me. These people and their team went to the exhibition hall and worked for hours to fix the tables, paint the walls and everything. First of the day, I had a little runway for myself, and then I got back to stitching the garments. And here's a little time slap for you guys to see what I've done. After I finished the garments, I went back to the other class. I kind of like walking around the school, And those are the garments that are supposed to go. I'm gonna hang another ones also here. And when I come back to the other class, Beza had started gluing the materials to the tables, and Melis was working on her presentation, and then here I come to help her out. It's actually a time slap, but the process was so slow that it looks like we're just doing. I was just cleaning after Beza, like the threads that sticks from glue to the, oh my god, my voice, guys. Okay, sorry, I had a little water, I'm better now. So I was cleaning after her. I was like removing all the small threads of glue from the tables, and it's kind of tricky thing because when it got stuck to the tables, when you were removing it, it removed the paint, so I had to be really careful. That's why the process is really slow. We packed everything that was breakable so they can glue it in the exhibition hall, and we were done for the day. Thanks for watching. Come to the second video for part 2. Love you all. Bye.